Alright, so welcome back to Greasy Corner Garage. Here we are, the Salisbury Dowtown Cruisers. They throw, I think, a weekly gathering every single weekend in the evenings, but this is actually the 4th annual car show cruise-in. Don't hide them, drive them. That's pretty cool. So let's walk around and check this out. I had to mute that music so it wouldn't be so overwhelming and so crazy. Let's go check out some cool cars. Look at here. So peaceful and quiet, you can hear everybody talking. Look at that, isn't that pretty cool? $1929. There we got a 69 442. Those wheels look pretty cool, don't they? That's a W30. You see how it's painted red in there. That's how they came from the factory. Let me see what that says. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. It's a 28 Model A. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Regal T-Type. Now see, I like the T-Types a little better because you can get them in different colors. This one is black. But you know, all the Grand Nationals were black, but the T-Types you could get in multiple colors. And so yeah, I kind of like the T-Type. You know, it's got the T-top. Yes, sweet. Now that's what they say always. People mistake that as being Dad's car. It's not. That's a G-body. Totally different vehicle. We've seen this Bronco at the Ford show. Really nice Bronco. Looks pretty good. Yeah.
Again, welcome to the 4th annual Downtown Cruisers. Don't hide them, drive them, cruise-in car show. If you guys will bear with us, we're going to get you out as soon as we can. We know it's hot, and we understand. But you guys that's entered in the car show, please remember to have your judging sheets turned in no later than 2. That's an hour from now, no later than 2. So we're going to keep on schedule and get everybody up and out here and get these.
Well, I'm crazy.
Now, again, 2 p.m. is the cutoff date for us to have your sheets. Bring them up to the man here in the purple shirt in the center of the tents. If you're hungry, thirsty, other side of this bed we have food vendors, ice cold treats, ice cream. Anything you want, we got it over there.
AC system on it. You don't see that. I wonder if it works.
Here, $5
The owner see this video, leave in the comments. Tell me the AC how cold it is.
We've got quite a pot going.
Like he's got
Come down in.
all the drive-in speaker over there.
$5 for 10 chickens. Come on down and see Miss Loretta.
But anyway, their sign just took off to the right.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like the bike. I want to put a roof rack on my car and put a bike on it. I've got a light blue 76 Swin. It's close enough to 78. I like to put it on there. Look at that big old shifter. It's got a new Belgian PLL shift knob. I guess they decided to turn the music back on. Check out this pair of Z28s right here. They're really nice. You see there's a lot of work in this car. Wow. It's got that nostalgic look. Kind of the old school look with the big tires. And then you got the new school right beside it. Pretty cool. Yeah, that motor's clean, isn't it? Wow. But I kind of like the new school wheels. Probably my favorite Camaro is the split bumper. And it being a big block makes a world's difference. That's pretty neat. 396. Big old brakes on it. Yeah, I think I like the black one. But you know, I'm kind of partial to black vehicles. Truck's gonna have to hold off a second. It says one mean 71. That sounds pretty good. Oh. 1954 Riley, already manufactured in England. Dual overhead, 4-speed manual. Aren't that neat? Look at the back of it. That is cool. It's got a little fender bender right there. That's a shame. There's a 53 Kaiser, Golden Dragon. Made in Willow Run, Michigan. Look at the dash, that's cool. And 442. How you doing today? What's in there? Oh yeah, look at that. Clean. It's a clean ride, man. I like it. I like the color. Work put into that truck. Wow. The interiors. That's impressive. Look and enjoy, but do not touch. Covers. Covering up the LS. That's pretty sharp. That's a sharp truck there. Sniff, but don't scratch. down that side. Let's see what we got up here. This thing looks pretty modified. At least they don't have the LS in it. Oh, and I said it, didn't I? But it's got a big turbo. Huh. Truck's nice.
Gooseneck hitch in the back? Yeah. They had the whole song with B-side, they had the glove box, so I welded it back in. Yeah.
That's where he's going to put all that stuff. That's a lot of work, a lot of money.
He's definitely in the Pro Street class. Okay, it's got a 427. LSX. Yeah. That's pretty nice. Pretty sharp. Here we are, the 78 Mercury Zephyr Z7, 547 big block Ford. 78 Ford Fairmont Futura, 347 small block Ford. All right, so that's going to conclude today's car show adventures and cruise in and Cars and Coffee. Went to Cars and Coffee this morning and then rode up here to Salisbury to come to this. This is our first time coming to this, so we just want to check it out, see what's going on up here. Some nice rides over here. I appreciate every one of you liking, sharing, comment. Tell me which one's your favorite. And you know what? It's been a beautiful day. It's hot out here. I want to go ahead and get that recorded before some of these people start leaving. So check for the next video. It might be the ones I'm gonna walk up down the road here. There's a cruise in also happening up here, so there might be a few cars up there as well. So y'all have a blessed one, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.